You don't need big money to start big ideas. Just the right concept and knowing what people need. Want businesses you can launch on a tiny budget? Let's dive into the smartest, budget-friendly ideas. Unique tours are a great alternative to typical sightseeing. Instead of visiting the usual spots, you can take people to hidden locations with interesting stories, legends, or special atmospheres. Think cocktail bar tours, secret historical walks, or themed adventures. The goal is to offer an exclusive experience they won't find in regular travel guides. Screen printing lets you print designs on fabric, paper, plastic, metal, almost anything. Using a mesh and stencil, you roll paint over the surface to create sharp, long-lasting prints. It's perfect for t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, posters, banners, and even wooden decorations. Cats absolutely love cozy spaces, and mini sofas for pets have become a trendy item. These aren't just beds, they look like tiny versions of real furniture, complete with upholstery, armrests, and legs. Many pet owners love buying stylish accessories like these for their furry friends. 3D printing isn't limited to plastic anymore. Today, you can print ceramic items like vases, cups, figurines, and decor pieces. After printing, you glaze and fire them to create a finished product. These unique ceramics sell really well on Instagram and Etsy. A party host is the person who brings life to an event. It's more than just holding a microphone, it's about entertaining guests, running games, and adapting to the energy of the crowd. With the right personality, this skill can turn into a full business. Weddings, corporate events, club parties, birthdays, there are endless opportunities. A mini molding machine is a small but powerful device for casting plastic items right from your workshop. You just melt the plastic, pour it into a mold, and out comes a finished product. It's great for making souvenirs, small electronics casings, 3D printing parts, prototypes, and short production runs. It costs under $500, and the only real limit is your creativity. Fruits and vegetables don't always have to grow in their natural shape. If you place them in special molds as they grow, they can come out shaped like hearts, squares, stars, you name it. Japan's square watermelons are famous, but you can do the same with apples, pears, cucumbers, or pumpkins. These unique shapes look amazing, make great gifts, and because they're rare, you can sell them at premium prices. A robotic lawnmower cuts grass automatically, just turn it on, and it does the job for you. You can turn this into a lawn care service by offering robot-assisted mowing. Instead of pushing a mower yourself, you send out robots to clients' yards. This service is especially popular in suburbs and gated communities. An electric planer helps you smooth and precisely adjust the thickness of wood. It transforms rough boards into perfectly flat, clean panels, something every carpenter and furniture maker needs. It saves time, reduces sanding work, and gives you a flawless finish. A gift box isn't just packaging, it's part of the gift experience. You can make them with double layers, hidden compartments, pop-up features, or sets of nested boxes. They can be sold online, through marketplaces, or custom-made for special occasions and businesses. Big posters always catch the eye, and with a wide-format printer, you can produce posters, banners, artwork, and interior decor pieces. These printers work with canvas, vinyl, photo paper, and adhesive film to create sharp, high-quality prints. You can build a business around custom posters, fine art prints, or promotional materials. The catch stick machine is a fun reaction game where several sticks hang in front of the player and one randomly drops. The challenge? Catch it before it hits the ground. It operates on a pay-per-play system. People insert coins, pay cash, or use digital payment to get their rounds. It's simple, addictive, and profitable. A cutting board can be more than a kitchen tool, it can be a stylish, personalized piece. Using solid wood, engraving, and unique shapes, you can create boards with names, family logos, or restaurant branding. You'll need wood blanks, sanders, a router, and finishing oils. Startup cost is about $200, and each board can sell for $50 to $100. Old furniture restoration. Old furniture can look brand new with the right touch. By sanding, repainting, updating hardware, or reupholstering, you can completely transform cabinets, chairs, dressers, and tables. With minimal tools and creativity, old pieces become stylish and valuable again. Obsidian jewelry making. Obsidian natural volcanic glass shines like a luxury black gemstone. With raw obsidian, a cutter, sanding machine, and polishing tools, you can create elegant earrings, pendants, and rings from home. It's affordable, artistic, and sells well. Affordable disinfection service. Pest control is always in demand. With a cold fog machine, safe chemicals, and protective gear, you can eliminate cockroaches, bedbugs, mosquitoes, and rodents. Startup cost is under $500 and customers pay quickly because pest problems can't wait. Handmade leather card holders. Leather card holders are stylish, durable, and always in demand. With basic tools, cutters, stitching needles, snaps, and quality leather, you can produce premium, minimalist wallets that sell at a high margin. Pet clothing business. Pet owners love keeping their furry friends comfortable and cute. You can create raincoats, winter sweaters, or fun costumes for dogs and cats. No big investment, just fabric, patterns, and a sewing machine. Handyman services. People always need help fixing something. As a handyman, you can repair furniture, mount shelves, install appliances, replace sockets, and solve everyday problems. Start with basic services, then expand as demand grows. Children's event planner. Kids' parties are a huge market. With games, shows, creative programs, and themed decorations, you can create unforgettable experiences for families. Start with simple mobile setups and grow into full event productions. DIY hand casting kits. Hand casting kits let families capture a moment forever with a gypsum sculpture. All you need is alginate, plaster, and packaging to create ready-to-sell kits. They're popular as gifts for couples, parents, and kids. Custom tarot decks. Tarot cards are trending for both spirituality and art. You can design your own decks with unique artwork, premium lamination, and creative themes. Sell them online to collectors, readers, and gift buyers. Purebred cat breeding. Breeding purebred cats like Maine Coons, Bengals, and British Shorthairs can be highly profitable. With healthy parents, proper care, and good living conditions, kittens sell for premium prices to pet lovers and breeders. Car interior dry fog cleaning. Cars trap odors and bacteria. Dry fog cleaning freshens the interior, removes smells, and sanitizes the cabin. Car owners, taxi fleets, and dealerships need the service, and startup costs fit under $500. Worm farming. Worms produce natural fertilizer, fishing bait, and animal feed. All you need is containers, soil, and food waste. Worms multiply fast, require little space, and the business runs almost by itself. Terrarium making. Terrariums are stylish mini gardens in glass containers. With plants, moss, sand, and stones, you can create beautiful, low-maintenance decor pieces. They sell well on Instagram, gift shops, and craft markets. Laser engraving on rings. Laser engraving adds names, symbols, and patterns to rings made of gold, silver, steel, or titanium. It's precise, fast, and transforms simple jewelry into treasured keepsakes. A small laser makes this business easy to start. Event decoration service. Decorators turn plain spaces into magical scenes for weddings, birthdays, and corporate events. Balloons, backdrops, lights, and theme designs make events unforgettable. Promote through social media and partner with event planners. Vinyl record wall clocks. Old vinyl records become trendy wall clocks with creative cutouts and designs. Just add a clock mechanism and carve or laser cut shapes. Simple to make, unique to sell, and perfect for home decor lovers. Small rental business. People prefer renting instead of buying expensive or rarely used items. Rent out cameras, power tools, camping gear, or party equipment. Choose high-demand items, set a deposit system, and earn repeatedly from the same product. Personal concierge service. Busy people need extra hands. A concierge handles restaurant bookings, deliveries, errands, travel arrangements, and finding special items. Great for entrepreneurs, tourists, and seniors. Social media management. Businesses and creators need help growing online. As a social media manager, you plan content, optimize videos, run ads, and analyze performance. Work remotely, manage multiple clients, or start an agency. Ultrasonic cleaning service. Ultrasonic cleaners restore jewelry, glasses, coins, tools, and even auto parts by using vibration waves. The satisfying cleaning videos help market the service on TikTok and Instagram. Self-publishing on Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP lets anyone publish books worldwide with zero printing cost. You earn up to 70% royalties. Write ebooks, create a series, or translate versions to grow an international audience. Professional organizer. A professional organizer helps people bring order to their homes, offices, or even their digital life. Whether it's decluttering closets, setting up efficient workspaces, organizing documents, or streamlining files on a laptop, you help clients create calm, simple, easy-to-manage systems. Virtual magician. Magic isn't just on stage anymore, now it happens online. As a virtual magician, you can entertain people through webcams and phones with card tricks, illusions, disappearing objects, and interactive digital magic. It's fun, creative, and perfect for parties, events, or live streams. Computer repair specialist. Computers crash, lag, and break all the time, and most people have no idea how to fix them. As a repair specialist, you can handle software issues, remove viruses, install programs, upgrade hardware, assemble PCs, and even recover lost data. Work remotely or visit clients on-site, selling digital products on Etsy. Digital products are one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. You can sell templates, planners, printable art, Lightroom presets, educational worksheets, 3D models, sound effects, anything downloadable. No shipping, no inventory. Upload once and earn over and over again. Ghostwriting. Many bloggers, influencers, and companies don't write their own content, they hire ghostwriters. You can create blog posts, Instagram captions, LinkedIn articles, YouTube scripts, or even full books. You stay behind the scenes while getting paid for your writing skills. Surprise travel agency. Imagine booking a trip without knowing where you're going. A surprise travel agency does exactly that. Clients choose a budget, dates, and preferences, and you plan the entire mystery trip from flights and hotels to activities and hidden adventures. The destination is revealed only at the last moment. Doula. A doula is a birth support companion who helps expecting mothers before, during, and after labor. They're not doctors, they simply offer emotional comfort, guidance, and reassurance throughout the pregnancy journey. To get started, you just need proper training and good promotion through social media and word of mouth. Landscaping service. Many people don't have time to maintain their yards. With basic tools like a mower, trimmer, and shears, you can help clients create and keep a beautiful, hassle-free outdoor space.